Ladies and gentlemen, how y'all doing today? It's day four. Day four. We're getting it in. We're doing the 50 sit-ups and the 100 crunches today. This is the sit-up and crunches challenge. It's for the whole month. So y'all welcome to do them with me. That's cool by me. Look, like, share, and tell your friends about the challenge and just show the support. And for the ones that have been showing support, I thank y'all in advance, and I'm very appreciative of everybody who's showing me love. Without further ado, the word of the day is patience. Even when things are not going your way, things are like falling apart, just know that with every fall there's a great comeback. So you have to be patient. Just make sure you're patient. Make sure you're doing all the work, all the hard work that you need to do, whether it's a job, career, relationship, whatever it is. Just be patient and work through it, get through it, and you'll know. With patience is the key to getting far in life. But don't let nobody disturb your peace. Don't let nobody disturb anything that you're doing. With patience, people will leave you alone. People won't. They'll have things to say, but it won't phase you. So with patience, it can get you pretty far in life. All right, that's the word of the day. Just patient. And without further ado, we're gonna get in these 50 setups, and then we're gonna get into the 100 crunches. So let's go. Let me see if I can line this thing up. Did I line it up right?
I'd like to introduce you to Mr. Graham Kensington, the Chesterfield's esteemed ventriloquist critic.
Scoop.
I've seen many a man in his day tread the boards in my time. Some good, some bad. But you're never a ventriloquist. And that? No. You're an artist. To think that one man could do two such disparate voices.
It's a gift.
You are single-handedly redefining ventriloquism.
I am only as great as the people who notice how great I am.
20, 21, 22.
That act is all me. I feel so betrayed. This is worse than what Judas did to Jesus.
27.
Man, I hope Tammy's here.
Hey, can I see that wine real quick?
30.
Hey, hope you like Greg.
Oh, thank you. You are so thoughtful, Judas.
36.
Hi, Jesus.
37.
Strike two, Judas!
So, what do you think of my mustache? It's black and it stinks just like the rest of you. Thank you for laughing at my joke. I do both voices. Thank you. That's it. I'm sick of you taking all the credit. All right, Bean, that's enough.
Yeah.
You don't want to go back in your coffin.
Oh, yeah.
No talent, credit hogging hack.
All right, that's 50 sit-ups. Like I said, you can do 50 sit-ups in different ways. You can break it down 2 sets of 25, 5 sets of 10, or 10 sets of 5. So long as you make it to 50, that's all that matters. Okay, without further ado, we're finna get in these crunches real quick. 100 crunches, and I'm probably gonna make a second video for today. Probably do a little extra workout. Just stay tuned and you'll see. All right, 100 crunches. Let's go. Okay.
Hey, Mama. Hey, not Dad.
Rollo, please tell him that what you said was out of anger.
You can see that I am clearly not angry anymore.
Okay,
You are not my
let's go.
father, and you never will be.
No, tell me he ain't saying. Great news! Uncle Pork and Bean at the orphan theater.
There's no fucking way I'm performing with that has-been.
That is it. I have had it up to here. You two are doing that show. And not because Junior put so much effort into booking it, and not because the family could use a few extra bucks this month, but because I refuse to let ventriloquism tear this family apart. Not again.
All right. Whew. 100 crunches. All right, everybody. Stay tuned for the second video. Y'all be blessed. Make sure, remember, the word of the day is patience. All right. Be blessed. KD out.